Dude, I got a fish. I got a good fish. What's up? This is Richie from the Where We Wild YouTube channel, and I'm back up at the beach up in Oxnard. Gonna do a little more surf fishing. Had a blast last time, man. Caught some really nice perch. So I'm back out here with the Carolina rig, and I fixed my rod. I don't know if you remember the last video, but I put a new tip on that rod, and I actually ordered an 11-foot Okuma Rockaway. So I'm gonna try for some bigger fish on that, maybe a bigger drop shot for some halibut or something. Wind is still absolutely brutal out here, so jerkbait is probably out of the question. But I'm gonna do my best, see what happens. And yeah, it's chilly too, man. So we're gonna see. A little rough, a little windy, a little chilly. Wish me luck, man. Let's see what happens. Let's get them. All right, I'm gonna start out with a bit of a drop shot here with a white fluke. See if I can get something a little bigger this trip. But as you can see, man, these waves are no joke. High tide is about 6:30 p.m. tonight, and it is 3:09. So I got the 11-foot Okuma Rockaway SP. Try not to break that one. Oh, that was not far at all. Man, it is rough. Might need something heavier than this. I've never thrown a drop shot before up here, but biggest drop shot weight I had was 1 ounce. And last time I needed 1.5 ounces for my sea rig. And it looks like I'm gonna need a bigger weight today because I can't get this thing to stick so far. Wow. Look at these sets, man. I don't know. Getting yanked around, man. I cast it right here. My bait is all the way over here. Huh. I don't know why this isn't casting very far. I need a bigger reel. It's not horrible, but I would think I could cast farther. Drag is so not smooth. Did I just get bit? I might have a fish right here, boys and girls. Dude, I got a fish. I got a good fish. Jim, I got something really good. It's a halibut. Use this wave to get it up. Wow, dude. That is my first halibut right there. How about that? Jim, we get my pliers? Wow, dude. Perfect hook set, right in the top of the mouth. Wow. That's awesome. That's my first halibut ever.
Wow.
There we go. Just watch that hook.
Awesome.
How cool is that?
Nice. That's so cool.
Pretty sweet.
I need to get my phone.
Wow, look at that, man. That's my first halibut right there. I don't know if it's legal or what. I don't keep anything, so but pretty good one, man, on the fluke drop shot. That was awesome, dude. That was awesome. I got to get a picture and get this thing back in for sure.
Nice.
All right, let me get back in. Pretty awesome. My first halibut ever on the fluke. Pretty sweet, dude. All right, buddy, get out of here. See ya. That was awesome. Whoa. Hell yeah, dude. That was sweet. Oh man, I am slimy. Wow, I need better. That was sick, man.
Yeah.
First one ever. That thing fought awesome. That was no perch, man. That thing took drag and was bending.
That's great.
First fish on the Okuma Rockaway 11 foot is a halibut.
That's so exciting.
That was awesome, dude. All right, I just had some lunch. Took a little break after catching that halibut. I should have measured it. I just realized I had a tape measure in my bag. And I'm curious to know if that thing was legal or not, but it looked like a really good one to me. You let me know in the comments if you think that one was legal. Now, I noticed my line got a little scraped up after catching that fish, but it seems okay above the hook. It's just a little scraped up underneath the hook, so I'm gonna leave it for now. Hopefully it'll be all right. But yeah, man, white fluke, #2 mosquito hook, owner, and then a 1 ounce drop shot weighed about, I don't know, 16, 20 inches above it. I'm shocked, man. That was pretty sick. Caught a lot of fluke on the East Coast, but never a West Coast halibut. Pretty awesome. I was just kind of hopping it along. So hard to keep anything in the zone out here, man. I was a little worried also about that little mosquito hook, but it was perfectly hooked in the top of the fish's mouth. So like I literally use that size hook for largemouth bass drop shots. So I couldn't decide whether I wanted to go with that style, like nose hooked here, or if I wanted to hook it up weedless with like a 3/0 EWG or something, you know. There are birds diving on bait way out there. I still want a striper bad. Look at these waves, dude. Jeez. It is really hard to work a 1 ounce through them. That's for sure. Oh, I lost my fluke. Interesting. Gotta go get another one. I might retie this whole thing. I'm not comfortable with it. All right, let's try the Carolina rig and the Berkeley sandworms. I can't keep that 1 ounce drop shot down. That's like the heaviest drop shot weight I got on me. So I got an 1.5 ounce Carolina rig now. Let's see if we can get a couple surf perch. Looks like there's like a trough right here. Sheesh, it is rough. Whew. Getting beat up in here, man. Beat up. Oh man. Sheesh, this is ugly. Whoa. Oh man, this is nuts. I can't fish anything right now. I've been trying for some surf perch, just real basic. On the Berkeley sandworms past few hours, nothing, dude. 1.5 ounce Carolina rig, I just can't get anything to sit. This is probably the most rough I've ever seen it here. These waves are huge. If I can't even get a little surf perch to bite a sandworm, I'm in deep trouble. Still beautiful out here though, man. These waves are just unreal. just shocking, man. Shocking to not be able to land a little perch. These sandworms are like usually like every cast, but not today, baby. Not today. Woo, boy. Well, it's about 8 o'clock at night. Been out here all day, man, since like 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, something like that. I don't even remember what time we got here. I am so tired. But beautiful sunset back here. Jamie's messing around with the drone, so I'm not going to bother her. Hopefully you'll see some of those shots. But yeah, I can't believe it, man. Just one fish all day, but it was a good one. Man, my hands are shaking. I am cold, man. I've been in this thing all day. No waders. But yeah, it was a good time, man. It's always beautiful. It's always beautiful. I can't even talk. I'm so cold. It's always beautiful to be out here. So I'm just shocked how rough it was, and then I couldn't get anything to sit, and to not even get a bite from a perch on a Berkeley sandworm is just nuts. That tells you how crazy rough it was. But got my first halibut ever, so I'm pretty stoked with that, man. I'm gonna go enjoy this sunset with the missus, but we're gonna wrap it up and get out of here. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you're into this sort of thing, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Later. It's pretty beautiful though, isn't it?
If you want to see more videos just like this one, be sure to check out the rest of the Where We Wild YouTube channel, where we post a brand new video every week. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new adventure. Thanks for watching.
See ya.